This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Hello guys, today I will show you how to install ParrotShell in Termux. You can make your Termux look like Parrot OS. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. First open Termux app. And type command pkg up for update Termux app. Now install Git in Termux via command pkg install Git. Now we are cloning GitHub repository of that too. Type command git clone the type link of that tool. Command link also given in description. Now go into directory of that tool via command cd ParrotShell. Now we are giving permission to this tool via command chmod +x*. Run install script by command bash install.sh. Now type yes and hit enter. ParrotShell successfully installed in your Termux. Now restart Termux. Wow, that's look good. Now if you want to uninstall ParrotShell and want to go back to default Termux shell, follow me. First go into directory of ParrotShell. Then type command bash uninstall.sh. Type yes. Then restart Termux and you will get back to default Termux shell. If you like this video, comment, like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends.